Ruhonge rwa ugiteri mwena wa Meru rutongoretio ni kamishona wa Meru Njohi ni ruhotete kuhithukia Njohi itakinyaniirie ikiro mucii kwa mwonjoria umwe kuma mwena ucio. Imwe cia Njohi iria irahithukirio irari na mabandiko ma maigirira ma KEBS o undu umwe na ma ruhonge rwa witia wa igoti.
Tushirikiane, hii kazi haijaisha leo. Tutapambana kwa siku 90 kuanzia hii wiki. Jana tulikuwa pande ya Mekenduli, Dura huko, tutaenda kila mahali hii pombe iko mpaka tuhakikishe hakuna hii pombe mbaya katika Meru. Pia maneno ya iristi, burusi, changai, muna yote. We are going to deal with them without mercy.
Reverend Wangai Gacoka uria ni murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na dawa cia kurevya guku bururi-ini ni ruona kada mwena ucio ni augite Njohi ici ni igumeire mbeu njithi mwena ucio.
One, you note this residential area which they are breaking the Alcoholic Act 2010. You cannot have a warehouse distributing alcohol in a residential area. And not only a residential area, it's a residential area and it's a home where we have 3-year-old child. That's an offense. You cannot have anybody under 18 where alcohol and tobacco is being sold. But you find here, it's not only a warehouse of distributing alcohol. They are also, he has a bar inside the house where that child is, and that's where the child is praying. That's illegal and breaking the law.
Mwonjoria ucio hamwe na andu angi ni maraikirio ngono kurumirira birigiceni iyo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Geto Wangari Maria wa Muigana.